Hello, it's Raymond, and it is October. What did I buy in October? And also, why am I wearing a t-shirt? The reason I'm wearing a t-shirt is I just got back from a run. I'm 76 years old. I haven't run in 40 years. When I was 36 years old, I ran a 100-kilometer ultramarathon for my American friends. That's 62 miles. I did it in 12 and a half hours. I started at noon, finished at half past midnight. And my knee ballooned up and I wasn't able to run again. I've tried to run, but I wasn't able. And I was an athlete. I was a mountain climber, a rock climber, a cross-country ski racer, a wild cave explorer, a track athlete, and a road runner. I've run 3 marathons, 110 Ks, and when I was 36, my knee blew out and I wasn't able to run again. And then as I deteriorated in my body, my muscles deteriorated, my joints deteriorated, I was never able to run again. And then in May of this year, May of the COVID year, May of 2020, when Jack Canfield enrolled me, within 1 month of drinking this unbelievable Ninja Red, within 1 month, I was walking with my wife late at night and I just left her. I just ran. At night, when you'd expect I'd be tired, I just ran. And she yelled after me, "We've been married for over 10 years. I've never seen you run, never a step." And I was able to run, and it was so exciting. It was so exciting. Running meant that my joints operated well enough to run, and my hips and my knees and my ankles and my muscles and my back muscles and also my heart and my lungs and my oxygen uptake capability, everything was stronger. Strong enough that after 40 years I could run. So let me tell you how I drink Ninja juice. If you see here, I have a machine. It's not sold by Young Living, but it's called Soda Stream. Can you see that? Soda Stream. And it's not plugged in. It just operates on its own energy. It's amazing. You just fill a bottle and you twist it on. Twist it on, twist it on. It's a little hard to twist it when I'm trying to look good for a camera. And then you just press the top down. You see that? And it fizzes the water. And then you untwist it, and it's fizzy water. And then all I do, here's one that's open. So you have to really mix it up because they're different ingredients and they level off. You want to get them all in each drink. What I do is I get a nice tall glass, and I fill it with this wonderful Ninja. And then I put in fuzzy water just to make it. I don't always use fuzzy water, but every so often I treat myself. And actually, usually I put the water in first and then the Ninja, because now the Ninja's at the bottom. Oh well. I love it. I love it. Now you might say, isn't a 4-pack a 1 month supply? Yes. However, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8. Why? Because it really works. And if it works, and it's just juices and natural ingredients and essential oils, then you can't OD on it. And so I take double the recommended dose, double, because I want to infuse all my organs with nutrients. Yeah. And some members of Young Living have said to me that when they feel cold coming on, they double up. And a friend of mine in Norway ran a triathlon, and he doubled or tripled up for the months leading up to it. And so I do double. What the heck? It's amazing stuff. What else did I get? You'll think I'm a Ninja nut. Why? Because another thing I ordered was, can you see that? It's called organic wild, no, oh, so there it is, organic dried wolfberries. Organic dried wolfberries. And you can see they're actually dried wolfberry. Yeah, and so what I do, I have them as a snack. I'm so crazy that between drinks of Ninja juice, I snack on organic dried wolfberries. And wolfberry or goji berry is one of the main ingredients. I love this stuff. I love it because it infuses my body with nutrients. And what else did I get? Okay. I got Young Living tea tree oil. Why? Because I've got a bit of eczema. Can you see that? Ugh, doesn't look good, does it? I got a bit of eczema on my knuckle, and tea tree oil is the best for that. And then the other thing I got was lavender, because it smells so good. It just smells so good. And so we ran out of lavender because we used it so much. There's never a moment where we don't have 1 or 2 diffusers going. So if you're sitting at home saying, I got so many oils, what do I do with it? Diffuse it. Have it going all the time. You don't even have to study what the medicinal effects are of the oil. If you like the fragrance, just diffuse it. Can't hurt you. Now, I got 3 bonuses, 3 absolutely free. One is called Citric Fresh, and even without studying it, it's obvious, it's citric. So it'll smell like grapefruit or tangerine or orange. And so I know what I'll do. I'm gonna put some citric in my, oh my gosh, it smells good. So I'm gonna put it in my drink, in my Ninja red drink. Because I usually put in, let's say, grapefruit or tangerine or orange, one of the citric flavors, because it adds a little zest. Watch this. Oh, you think Ninja is good on its own? Add one of those citric flavors, any one of them. And I just got Citric Fresh, and I tried it. It was great. And let me put the lid on. You should always put the lid on. And then I got 2 others for free. One is clove, which is one of the main ingredients of thieves. So you know what that smells like. And cinnamon bark. Wow. Can't wait to try these. Can't wait to look them up. Can't wait to find out what they do. So those are the products that I bought for October, and I love getting it. I'm so excited. I didn't order till the 2nd or 3rd this month. I always order on the 1st, and so it didn't come to today, probably because of the holidays. Anyways, I'm so excited, and this is gonna last me till the end, till Halloween, and then on November 1st, I'm gonna order again. And one of the major products that I'll be ordering is Ninja Red. I love it.